Hey guys, this is Gadget Guru, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to install the FASTag in your vehicle. The FASTag that I have is the PayTM FASTag that I ordered online on the PayTM app, and it arrived within 5 to 7 days. Inside this envelope you'll find a couple of different things, instruction manual and those kinds of things, but the main thing that you need is the FASTag sticker, RFID sticker itself. So here I have the one that was sent to me. You can ignore all the other things that are included in the envelope for now. Next, you need to identify where in your car, that is where on the windshield, you're going to stick this RFID tag. Now the recommended location for this is somewhere in the center of your windshield, preferably behind your rear view mirror, so that it doesn't obstruct your view anywhere. You can see I already have one of the RFID tags here, which is for my gate entry, but I'm gonna stick the FASTag just below it, right in the center. Having it in the center is important because different toll booths might have the RFID reader on different sides of your car. Having it in the center will make sure it's readable from either side. To install it, all you need to do is peel this backing from the back of the sticker and install it with this side facing you. That means the side where you see this information printed is going to be on the inside, facing towards you, and the back part of it is the one that will face the outside of the car. So let's go ahead and install it. Alright, here we go. So I'm going to peel the backing off from the FASTag, and you can see at the back you can see the kind of the RFID circuit of the FASTag, which is the part that will face outside. I'm just going to align it properly with the existing RFID sticker that I have, and just make sure I paste it smoothly without any air bubble forming on the inside. There we go, and that's all that you need to do for installing the FASTag. So here you can see the FASTag sticker is now installed on my windshield, and now whenever I pass through a toll booth, if the amount is available in the balance of my FASTag, it will be automatically deducted. This is what it looks like from the outside of the car. You can see the FASTag sticker is right in the center and very easily readable by the RFID reader at the toll booth. So that's it. That's how easy it is to install it. Hope you guys found this video helpful, and do subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching.